How to fix waiting for this message error on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, hold on to the Messenger app in your home screen and click on App Info. After you click on App Info, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on Permissions, which is the second option. Then select every option and allow it. After you've done that, to all the options, go back in App Info and click on Storage and Cache. And here, click on Clear Cache at the top. Then open Play Store and search Messenger. If there is any update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. And this is how to fix waiting for this message error in Facebook Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.